All right, we're going to do a little bonus reel here. This is a well-used neck, and I have put new tuners on it. You can see the flame on this thing is amazing. It is an old Lotus neck from the early 80s, and I've rebranded it. And you can see I have done extensive fretwork on this neck. I have recrowned, polished, and dressed the edges all by hand. And this is one of the necks that came up from the basement. It was covered in mold. But it's a well-used neck, and it's got, I want to mount it on this gorgeous Strat that I'm building. And it's got its own holes. So I want to pop all these holes. I want to plug them. We're going to plug them with, these are maple cocktail sticks. Not just toothpicks, they're maple. They're food grade stuff. So we're going to stick a bunch of glue down in here and plug all these holes. And we're gonna trim them off flush, and then we'll sand the bottom of the neck, and we'll make new holes according to the body that we're using here in this, what's going to be this gorgeous relic Strat mix of chrome and gold. There's brass saddles to match the gold parts, and then there's gold tuners, and we're going to have gold screws in the pick guard. So we're doing pretty good here. This is going to be a gorgeous instrument. You know I'm very much famous for my Strat builds, and this is going to be a monster. So, without further ado, let's open the glue. Trying to do it with one hand, it's not happening. There we go. I got it open. And I don't know, maybe I should just do it with a hunk of paper here. Yeah, I should just put it down here like this. Let's do it like that. And get the dirty rag and wipe the excess glue off so it doesn't congeal like it already has. And we're just going to get a bunch of glue on this and go down in the holes. There we go. Now, we'll take our flush cutters and cut them off. We're not going to cut them flush, obviously, but we're going to cut them off so that we can deal with it for right now. There we go, one-handed. We had to cut it. And now we're going to go back in that same hole with another piece because we want it to, okay, we're sliding all over the place here. We want to cut this off. And that went flying. I did not want that to go flying, but I'm trying to do this one-handed and show you guys what I'm doing. But, you know, hey, things happen. Things happen. We're doing this one-handed. Broke that one off because I don't want to mess with it. We want to pound that down in there a little bit. And then we want to trim that off. All right, we were able to hold on to that. All right, so there's one done. Now we're going to take this blunt piece and go down in that big hole. And then we'll take a new pointy piece. And go down in that hole. Now we'll cut them off. And we lost another one. Luckily, I think I got enough we need here if I don't mess it up. Now we go down here. I'll break it off so I don't lose it. There's the... And then we'll do a blunt piece. No, we can't get it in there. There we go. That went in there. See if we can cut this off. And that went flying. Let's get another toothpick. Another toothpick. Cocktail stick, excuse me. These are not toothpicks. These are cocktail sticks. All right. That's got to get a couple sticks in it. That's a big hole. And I think we're good. Let me get one more stick. Get one more stick and check this hole. Yeah, that needs to be plugged. That needs to be plugged. This one is shallow. It don't go down very far. And that one's shallow. But that is a pretty big hole. So we will plug that hole. And we'll go around the other pointy end. And I'm getting glue out of my hands, which is nothing new. And there goes a flying toothpick. But there we are. We're glued up, and we will, when that's dry, we will sand those little nubs flush. And we'll be ready to start assembling this Stratocaster. That's our bonus video. Thank you.